Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
What is the last topic?
SQL Server you have explained.
Hmm?
SQL.
The SQL Server. Prior to that, what was the topic? Friday, I think we have seen the SQL one.
Have
Hmm?
incomplete. We have incomplete topic delta loading.
Which one?
Initial load and full
Hello.
load.
Initial load and full load. That is the incremental load. Okay, that's it.
That is not completed.
Hmm?
Incremental loading or delta loading, that is not completed.
Not completed yet. Okay. It's not completed. I think it's completed.
No. Only there for lookup on watermark table and to lookup on course. But the copy data is not done.
Mhm. Mhm. You've completed, boys. Hmm?
In initial load, you had said the lookup activity.
No.
I think the lookup activity you had completed in the initial.
Only to lookup activity.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
The
Only
copy
lookup
activity
activity.
all we haven't completed.
Okay. No problem. I'll just continue that. Okay, I'm starting up. Incremental loading. Okay, I'm giving the specifications of the incremental loading. Okay, guys, I'm taking my source as Azure SQL database. Okay. That is that is nothing but source table where from which we wanted to extract the data for incremental. So I'm using it. The source table is the course. And now I'm using the sync data store. Azure SQL database. Table name, I want STG. Course. Okay. These are the source and sink specifications. We have it. Okay. So, and based on this, let us move further. I'm starting up all the sessions now. Okay, guys. So I'm started up the session. So now here, what is that I wanted to do is, first of all, I wanted to create a watermark table after the source and sink is created. So to hold the last processed value, okay, watermark table. Watermark table or bookmark table. That holds, or we can say that stores the last processed value. Last processed value from the current pipeline run. From the current pipeline run. That should okay. Next, after this, once the watermark table is created, we have to create a stored procedure that updates the last processed value just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm checking it once again. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it was done only till the lookup. So we might have done it on Friday. So we studied, we just checked with the this thing now. On the Friday, you see SQL. That's the reason why it was delayed. Okay, no problem. No problem, guys. I'm just starting up the session now. So anyways, I'm going to do the practical. So just click on the create. So and now let's use it here. Okay. I'm using incremental loading. Incremental loading RG, that is the resource group. I'm just creating it. That's it. So guys, after this, just go to this, let the resource group be open. And now create the SQL database, which is my source. So click on the create database. So guys, select the resource group as it is. And now come down. Now after this, give the name here. So I'm using the name as a source database and create the server. So server is, I'm giving it as a Durga soft server. Use the authentication, that is a user skill as a authentication here. So I'm using Durga admin as the username and the password is the alphanumeric password I wanted to use. And that's it. Click on OK. And now click on what's that? General, there is something with configuration. Click on the general, that is configuration and select the pricing tier from here. So now after this, click on apply. And next click on this networking tab and allow the public endpoint firewall settings. Review and create. That's it. And now the database source is being created. Meanwhile, I will just go and create the data factory as well. So click on this, guys. And now select the resource group. Sorry. And now use it here. Okay. Data factory. So I'm using the incremental loading. That's it. Click on the review. And click on the create, everyone. Now the data factory is being initialized now. So can you share? From the current pipeline run. So guys, okay. I prepared some script already. So I'm just using that script, okay. I'm just using that script as well, okay. So to make the process a bit easy, so let's do one thing now. I'm just going to this and copy the script. So open this. Open this. So guys, here you have a incremental loading. So let's copy the script here. This is the script. Just I'm copying the script, guys. Okay. So now guys, this is an incremental loading. So last processed value we have it. So you can also see here, can you see here? The last processed value can be date based. Okay. So here we are using record wise. So there we can also use the date wise incremental loading. So the first one, I'm just creating the table, that is the course table, and inserting some rows in it. So let's see here. So first of all, go to this database source. So data factory is ready. Let it be as it is. Launch it and leave it as it is. And now meanwhile, go to this database is ready. So click on the database, guys. And now let's start with this. So guys, I'm just using this. I'm creating a sync system also. Let's wait. Because on the same server as I wanted to define, I'm opening this database, source database, and now click on this. Server and click on the create. So everything is same. Just we need to, yes guys, just we need to do what? Database. So name has to be changed to target DB. And click on this configure. Select the pricing tier to reduce the cost as per this. And now then afterwards click on the network settings. Allow the IP address. That's it. Firewall setting is already allowed. Default and create it. Yeah, everyone is following. Please tell me, guys. Hello.
Yeah.
So that's it. Now the database is ready. So now, guys, what I will do is I will just log into the database and now create it. Sorry, log into this database by using the password what we have given. So guys, let us begin the process. Let's come down here and create first of all the table called course into the source. So I'm just using this. Create a table course ID. Can you see here we have what's that course ID is what? Integer, and name is varchar. Duration is integer. Insert into course values. 1 ADF 60 hours, 2 ADB 55 hours, C Python 100 hours. That's it, succeeded. And now guys, select a star from course. Run this, guys. Now you got it. 3 rows are there. Okay. Now, I'm using it. You can see here. The next one, I'm wanted to create a watermark table as well. So create watermark table. Last process value is what? You can see last processed value. Table, what table name is the first column, second column is the last process value, and insert into watermark value scores and 0. That means starting value will be 0. So now even I'm writing the stored procedure which changes the 0 to what is that last process value. Now what is my last process value? 3. Okay, so that it will change after the we run this. Now for that I'm reusing it, guys, everyone. Create watermark table. Okay, create watermark table. So I'm creating the watermark table here. So can see here. Now select a star from what's it, watermark. Select a star from watermark. Run this. Correct. It's 0 now. Okay. So now this 0 should change automatically from 0 to the current one. Whatever the current process value you have it. So for that I'm creating the stored procedure. So automatically it should do. So create procedure USP underscore that is @LPV integer @table varchar as begin update watermark set last process value is equal to @LPV where table name is what @table. That's it. Create it as it is. That's it now. Fine, everyone. So now I've created here. So now, guys, here I wanted to update the last processed value. For that, I've used what is that? Can you see here? Now, currently it's ready. Okay, currently it's ready. So can you see here? What is that you have it? Can you know? Here the current value is the 0. Current value is 0. Now, what is the current value you have it in the course table? Tell me now. That is the last process value. That is
3.
3. So
3.
now I wanted to update the 0 with 3. Am I right? So for that, we will use this. Can you see here? We are using this. Okay. Later on again, if 2 more rows are added, then the value will change from what is that 3 to what is that 5, whatever the last process value you have it. Okay. So for that, we have written the stored procedure here. Okay. So based on that, let us move further. Guys, to find out this, just go back. The database, the second database is also ready. So now I'm using this query editor. Okay. So that's it. Now the target is also ready. So that's it. Now come back. Now the procedure is ready, guys. So now what we will do is we'll start the data factory, and now let us use it. Okay. As it is, go back and now use the manage. 2 link services are required as per the process. So for that, I'm creating the first link service. The first link service parameter. So can see here, I'm using the first link service without the parameters. If I use parameter, then one link service is enough, because you have two sources. One is a source database, one is a target database. Both is hosting on the same server. So hence, here you have to create what's it? One link, two link services without the parameters. With parameters, if you use, we can use only one link service. Okay. So anyways, can you see I'm using it here? SQL, select it, Azure SQL, and now use it here, ls underscore SQL db underscore source, and now select the subscription. You have it, the Azure subscription, and the server name, you can define the server name, same server name, because you need not create anything here, already it's created now. Simply select it. Database is source database, and come down, give the username. So username is what? So we have the username as Durga admin, and the password is the same password. Click on the test connections. And click on the create. That's it, guys. Simple. And now create one more link service. And now again use the same SQL. Select the SQL, guys, and now use it the name here. So what's the name? ls underscore SQL db. Sorry. ls underscore SQL db underscore sync. That's it, guys. So selected the database name, server name first, database name next, two databases. Okay, and then next one, come down and provide the Durga admin. That's it. Click on the test connections. And now click on the create. That's it, guys. That's it now, guys, everyone. Done. So now, guys, things are fine now. And later on, once it is done, tell me now. Once you have created everything, that source and sync link linked services. So let's go to the author. And now don't create the data sets individually. Let's directly create the pipeline. Because how many data sets we have wanted to create, we are not sure about it. So for that, I'm designing the pipeline. This is the actual process. We do it in the real time. PL underscore incremental loading. Okay. So I'm using PL underscore incremental loading. So for that, first of all, I'm using the lookup. So as you already know that we have designed it lookup activities. So I'm dragging and dropping the lookup activities. Select the first lookup, second the select second lookup. So can you share? This naming standards will change. Okay. So now, guys, first of all, what is that you have to do? We have to design the lookups. So to look up on what is it? The lookup on course table. Lookup on course table. Okay. Lookup on course table to return the maximum, or the maximum. What is it you want? Maximum course ID. So what's the maximum course ID? Course ID is maximum course ID is what? Okay. In the source, look up on the course table, and return the maximum course ID. That is nothing but called as 3. Currently you have 3. So for that I'm using it. Look up on course table. Look up on course table to return what's it? Max course. Max course ID. That's it. Okay. That's it. Okay. Lookup on course table. And now the second lookup, what is that I want? Tell me now. I wanted to design it here. The second lookup, lookup on lookup.
But watermark table.
Very good. So lookup on watermark table. So written what? LPV, that we call it as what? Last processed value. Getting my point? Hmm? So what is the last process value? Currently it has a value of 0 now. So let us see how does it works. Okay. So now guys, so let us do one thing. So that's it. Okay. Now select the settings, and now there is no table. So just click on the create. Anyways, I'm unchecking this box, or let it be first row only. Click on this. So look up on, click on this. So can you see here, it is what's that? SQL database. You have the course. That is something, but the course is in the source database. So source database is what? SQL database. Select it here, and now give the name here. So I'm giving the name of ds underscore, all of you, ds underscore get, ds underscore get max course underscore id. Select the same. And now guys, what's that you have to tell me now? I don't, we have a table, but I don't want to select the table because I want to write some customized SQL query. So for that, click on OK. Again, select it, it doesn't matter. But I wanted to, can you see here? So here, why I'm not selecting is, I want to write some customized SQL query. Okay, so that's the reason I've not selected. Even if you select also, no issue. So now here I'm writing select select max of, select what is it, max of max of what, course id, select max of course id as, I'm giving the alias name here. Okay, max underscore cid, course id. Okay, from table, which table? From course table, from course, that's it. Okay, so preview the data now. Say, can you see here 3, can you see here, it's working or not? Yes guys,
Yes.
that's working fine. See, max course ID is returning the always single record, so hence we can select the first row only. That is fine here. Okay, that's it, guys. Next one. So just click on the second one, select it here. So can you see here? You can select it, but here the naming standard is not generic. Okay, so hence we have to create one more data set. So I'm creating one more data set. SQL. Select it. Now can you see here? I'm giving ds underscore. Yes, guys, ds underscore, tell me now. Get LPV, LPV from what is it? Watermark table. Select it here. Anyways, you don't select, I'm not selecting the watermark table because it's there, but still I don't want to, because I wanted to write some customized SQL query here. So select the use query, select it here, select star from, select the star from watermark, select underscore, select star from watermark, where tell me now. Okay, where table underscore name is equal to course. That's it. Okay, you can write it like this. See, it's working or not. Review it. No. Why? Because that's it now, guys. Anyways, okay. So debug now. So I'm just noting the output here. Whatever the output you get it. So I'm writing it here, everyone. I'm writing it. Output of lookup. Output of lookup. See, this is ready now. Open this. Can you see here? It is a watermark. Okay. Can you see here? This is called as a JSON format. The output will be written in the JSON format. Okay. Can you see here? Can you see here? Can you see here? This is nothing but, can you see here? I can say this is the max course ID. So I'm using it here. Copy this. That's it, everyone. First. So output of lookup underscore course. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So that's it now. Lookup on the, so I'm using the lookup on the course table, and this is the thing you have got it. And next one, what's it? You have it again. The next one, you just go close it. Second out. Open this. This one you have to watermark. Now you got it. Copy this. So just come down. So now here you have it, output of what? Watermark. Watermark. Okay. That's it, guys. Now, guys, once it is done, I'm using output. That's it, guys. Okay. Can you see here? Now here you have a last process value is 0, and here you have 3. So now let us go ahead and see the main part of this. Okay. So now further this, do one thing now. Use the copy activity. Copy activity. Copy activity. Use the copy activity. Drag and drop the copy activity. Guys, everyone. So just link up both of them. Link up. Select the copy activity. Now configure the source. Now again create a new, can you see here? A new data set. So open this source data set. So I'm using it. Since you have since we have different naming standards, so can you see here? I don't want to select any of this, so I'm just creating a new one. So if it is a generic, you can use it. Generic means repeatedly you can use the same data set, and it is recommended to use a generic only in the real time. But here you don't have a possibility of that, so hence I'm not using it. ds underscore can you see here? SQL db underscore source. That's it. Select the can see here. Course can see here table is there, but still I don't want to. So I want to use it here. Can see here write a customized SQL query. So for that, from the use query option, select the customized SQL query. So now guys, click on add dynamic content to write it more flexibly. Now write it down. Can you see here select so select a star from all of you. Select star from, guys, this is the simplest way of writing it. Select a star from, okay, course where course ID course underscore ID greater than 0. That's it. Okay, am I right? Select a star from course where course underscore ID is what's it greater than 0. Simply I'm writing it. That's it, guys. So click on OK. That's it, guys. So now this is ready now. So the source is ready now. Okay. Click on the sync, and now sync also you have to create a new. So SQL, selected SQL. Now write it down. DS underscore, what's that I want? Sync. Select it. Select the link service. You don't have any table, so hence I wanted to create a table. So click on this edit option and give DBO. I want what's it? STG underscore. What is that I want? Tell me now. Go to the source. Go to the specifications. You'll come to know here. STG underscore course. Okay. So I want the name as what? STG underscore course. Copy this. Come back. Write it down. STG underscore course is the table name. You don't have a table. Do we have a table, guys? No. So click on the none. Click on the create. That's it now. It's fine now. Yes, guys, everyone, tell me now. So that's it now. Go to the target. You have any target table is there? No tables are there. So just create the table here. I have a script already. So just I'm running that script. Insert target script. Create a table stg underscore course ID name is varchar duration. Everything is there. So I'm just selecting it here as it is. Run this and paste it here. Create a table stg underscore course ID is integer, name is as it is, duration is also there. Can you see here? I'm just selecting it and select star from stg underscore course. Result. Can you see here? Course ID, name, and duration. These are the three columns. Everyone is following? Yes, guys?
Yes, sir. Fine.
Okay, so now that's it now. Now, further, what is that I wanted to do? Tell me now, guys, everyone. Further, this is done now. So further, what is that I wanted to do is I want, what is it? Further, I want to update the values, whatever you have it. For that, we have to use a stored procedure. Already we have created a stored procedure. So for using the stored procedure, we have to use an activity called stored procedure activity. So use the stored procedure activity, drag and drop the stored procedure activity, link up, select the stored procedure. Now, guys, can you see here? Select it, everyone. I'm changing the name sp underscore. What is it? I want to tell me now. Why I'm writing this stored procedure? Tell me, guys. To update the LPV. Am I right? Hello.
Yeah, Shaman.
Yeah.
So for that, sp underscore update LPV. I'm writing. Go to the settings. Now, after going to the settings, select the linked service which you require it. Now tell me which link service you have to select. Tell me now. Where you have created this? Where you have created the stored procedure, in the source or in the sync system? Tell me.
Source.
So
Yes, very good. Source. So select it in source. Select the stored procedure as it is. Now, do we have defined any parameters, guys?
no,
Huh?
we haven't.
See, we have already created a parameter. No, just check here. I have created the stored procedure with a parameter @ LPV and @ table. Am I right or not? Huh? Two parameters. So for that, click on this import parameters. Two parameters you have defined it. So now, guys, I wanted to, can you see here? So now, guys, can you see here? I want this. You have to write it from where you'll get the LPV and from where you'll get this table. Can you see here? So write it down here. So just put the control. Now under the activities output, can you see here? Click on. Can you see here? @ lookup on course table max course ID output dot. What is it? I want to tell me now. First row. Output dot first row means what? Can you see here? Go here. From here, can you see? First row means what? Tell me now, what is it you want? First of all, I want the max course ID. No? First row means it will take this. Maximum, okay? LPV, that is nothing but last processed value. Okay. So it will automatically change now. Later, if you are adding 2 more rows, so it will change from this one to 5. So whatever the thing you have it, you have to select the LPV as it is. Now next one, what is it you want? Click on OK. Table. So now tell me, what is the table you want to do? Select the table, put the control here, add dynamic contents for table parameter. Click on this, can you see here? Now again, you'll get it the this time this table name available in where? Can you see here? The table name is available in what? Watermark lookup. Can you see here? Can you see here? Output first row, table name. Table name belongs to what's that? First row. Okay. So use what's that? So use it here. Which one you want? Watermark. So just select it here. What is where it is? Max course. Watermark. Look up on watermark. So use this watermark. Can you see here? Activities output. Watermark. Okay. Tell me now. That output, all of you. Output dot. Tell me now. First row dot. First row dot. What's it I want? Table name. So whatever it may be the table name, just get this table name. That's it, guys. Everyone. No, that's it, guys. Okay, fine. Now it's accepting. Finally, guys, that's it. You have to say debug. So this is the way you have to think the logic, guys. That's it now. See, guys, basically the demand of the course is secondary. First of all, you should be very much, flexible in doing this job. What are the complex things you can do it. Can you see? You have to exhibit your skills. So for exhibiting the skills, you must and should know the process. That is nothing but this kind of, the complex exercises. You should understand it. And if you're not understanding, please let me know so that I can repeat it once again. So anyways, copy activity, can you see here? Stored procedure is failed, guys. It says failed. What is the problem? Stored procedure failed. So click on this. Where it has failed, stored procedure. Look upon max course ID. Watermark. That's fine. So look upon course table. That means lookup activity returns the output dot first row. First row. First row dot. Okay. Just a minute. Select the max course ID we have not selected. Select it. That's it, max CID. That's it, guys. Max CID. Okay. When we have to write the max CID, that's it. That's it. Now run this, rerun this process. See, everything is succeeded now.
Yes, I see.
Just select it here. Go to the output now. Target. Now write it down. Run this. Got it now, everyone? See here. Previous also it compiled. That's the reason it's added now. Now go and check now. The previously we were having the watermark table as a value 0. Let us see it now. You have the value of 3 now. Okay now? Hello?
Yes, Amit.
That's it. So now what is it I wanted to do? If at all, suppose I want to add it here. 2 more rows I want to add it. You just see here. First table, I'm adding 2 more rows. That's it. I'm adding it. 2 more rows, so I'm adding it, guys. Query execution is failed. Why? Because
DevOps, comma,
No commas on last
no
line.
comma after DevOps.
semicolon, only 2 rows I want.
No, inside the value. 5 comma DevOps, comma 9. That's it.
Select it here. I'm running this once again. And now see how many rows are there right now? 5 rows are there. Okay.
Yeah, 5.
But now check what is the current value of watermark. What is the LPV you have it? Just check it here now. It's 3 now. Okay. So let's debug it once again. Succeeded. Now go to the source target. You just go and check once. Select the run. Select the target. Got it. In the target, third point, it is added. Even 2 rows are added. Now just go here. Now check the what is the last processed value. Select the star from watermark. See here. Now what's the LPV
Fine.
you have it? Got it, guys?
Yes, yes.
This is how it works. Okay. So that's it, guys. So with this, we have
Yeah.
completed this one.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye. I'm ending the classes. Thank you.